So you take your 21-day aged piece of sirloin of beef, cut to a 10 to 12 ounce measure, season with sea salt, turn over your steak, season again. And then what you want to do is you want to leave your steak for about 5-10 minutes to let it absorb the salt, steak up to room temperature before searing in a hot pan. So in your hot pan, add a touch of rapeseed oil, and what we're going to do first is sear the steak. By this we just want to brown both sides of the steak before adding butter. We always use oil for this because butter burns at a lower temperature and it'll caramelise the steak too quickly. So you just want to add the steak to the pan, let it sear gently on both sides to start the cooking process. You want this on a medium to a high heat. And what you're looking for is that caramelisation starting to brown and the skin starting to brown on the edges and the fat to start rendering down. And then you just want to render the fat down as well to get it nice and crispy. Once you've got your nice sear, you can add your aromatics to the pan. So things like half a bulb of garlic, some rosemary and some thyme. And literally just place it all in the pan on top of the steak. And then what we're going to add is a nice chunk of butter. You just put the butter straight in the pan. And we're doing this so we get caramelisation on the steak. At this point, turn your pan down to just below medium heat to allow the butter to caramelise. And what you want to do is keep just basting the nice caramelised butter over the steak. This will keep your steak nice and moist and keep all the juices in there. And just turn your steak every minute or so, just come on both sides. And what we're going to look for is a nice medium rare steak. So it wants to be about there on the hand, slightly firming to touch. Once it's cooked, you want to take it out of the pan. Just place it on a cloth and let it rest for a couple of minutes. This will allow all the juice to come back out, but while it's resting, just pour over a bit more of the caramelised butter.